Trivia time, name a big city on the seaside built under a giant volcano. If you said Naples, Kagoshima.
My plan for the day in Kagoshima was that I had no plan. It's almost 300 kilometers from Fukuoka, easily covered by 1 hour and 40 minutes of Shinkansen train. To start my visit, I wanted to get a better look at the city, at Sakurajima Island and its volcano in front of it, so I decided to hike the summit of Mount Shiroyama. On my way to it, I spot an enormous story that catches my attention. It's Terokuni Shrine, and it's definitely worth a visit. Moreover, I was able to watch a Shinto celebration, which made my visit even more memorable.
It's a very hot and sunny day, so let's hope we can also fix this awful half-sleeve tan that I got yesterday. The way to the top is very steep on this staircase. Luckily it's under the trees, so thanks to shadow. Whew.
The hike to the top takes around 20 minutes, and the view from up there, it's truly wonderful.
Kagoshima. We're now descending Shiroyama Promenade from the other side, go to the seaside and take the ferry to Sakurajima and its volcano.
Sakurajima has historically been an island until 1914, when the lava from an eruption connected it to the mainland. As soon as I arrived, a cat tried to adopt me. It was very difficult to resist.
This area was covered by lava during an eruption in 1914, and they rebuilt everything on top of it, and people of this island say that they inherited from one generation to the other everything that Sakurajima gave them, including lava. The specialty at this rest stop behind me is Oshima Megumikan, is the soft cream, which is a sort of ice cream, and being such a hot day, it's time to give it a try. Very nice, peachy. We have now reached the public footbath. It's one of the biggest in Japan, over 100 meters long. Here everyone can enjoy for free the hot spring water with such a view. In the last 2 days I have walked 55 kilometers. Today I'm at 11 and counting. That was a very needed foot bath. I owe all of you an apology. At the beginning of the video I made this joke about how Naples is very similar to Kagoshima, and that's it. That was just a joke to make an intro to begin the video. At that time I didn't know that, first of all, I'm not the only one who have realized this similarity, but two, most of all, these cities have been sister cities since 1960. And right now I find myself in a street called Napoli d'Ori. It's unfortunately time to say goodbye to Kagoshima. It was a beautiful day. If you like this video, please support me, leave a like, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next adventure. See ya!